Hello, Galaxy. I'm Chris Perillo, and this is my view in fewer than two. AI is coming for your job, and if you're sitting there going, "Oh no, I am not replaceable," BS. You're replaceable. You can and will be replaced. Your company does not care about you. They care about the things that you're able to do for the company, but they don't care about you. Now, if it's your company, then maybe you can't be replaced, or maybe you can. Maybe the things that you do for your company can easily or better be done by quote unquote AI, whatever that means in a given day. So if you're just approaching this and looking at AI and these tools and services like ChatGPT or Midjourney with blinders on, going, "Oh, if I ignore it, it doesn't exist." Oh, you're not doing yourself any favors. Moreover, if you're looking at those services and those tools as toys, you're making a grave mistake because you're not really seeing the power and potential of what AI can do. And if you don't move to accommodate what it can do with what you want to do and who you are today and who you might want to be, at least in your career, again, you're not doing yourselves any favors. So AI today, it's kind of like a destination, but over time it'll become more the journey, as in those features, those AI features are going to be baked into products and services that you are already using, or maybe there's a new one out there and it's just totally going to change the game. And as far as I'm concerned, that's exactly what tools and services like Midjourney and ChatGPT have done. We can treat them like toys, but unless we treat them with far more seriousness, we're not paying attention to where we need to be paying attention to. And if you don't understand this is the most important thing happening in tech today, pull your head out of your iPhone's ass.